Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix Cash App. The recipient account is unable to accept payments. So guys, this error is most likely other person's issue, but basically what you can do is send him this video, and here is what the recipient have to do. He needs to open the Cash App. On the top right corner, click your profile icon. Scroll a little bit down and here you will see security and privacy options. Click it. So guys, when he will scroll this down, most likely one of these options will be turned off for them. So he needs to turn on these options: incoming requests. Most likely it's Cash App. Allow other to find that Cash App. Most likely it's cash tag problem. So you need to turn this on. So once he will turn all of this things on, so then you can try to send your money. But if you still get the error, most likely it's your Cash App's fault. So you need to go to the support page. You need to scroll all the way down and click chat, and in the chat you need to explain your problem. They will assist you and help you to solve this problem. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget click the like buttons and don't forget subscribe.